Today we're diving into Modal, a platform that promises to simplify serverless AI infrastructure. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another tech buzzword? Let's find out if it's worth your time and investment. Modal aims to streamline the process of deploying and scaling AI applications without the hassle of managing servers. At its core, it offers a user-friendly interface that lets you focus on building your applications rather than wrestling with infrastructure. The platform is designed for developers and teams looking to leverage AI without getting bogged down by the complexities of traditional cloud services. What stands out immediately is the intuitive setup process. You can get started with minimal configuration. However, while it promises scalability and ease of use, there are still areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the documentation could be more comprehensive. Users might find themselves lost when troubleshooting issues or exploring advanced features. Overall, if you're looking for a straightforward way to deploy AI projects, Modal has potential. Still, it's crucial to ensure that it aligns with your specific needs before diving in. When considering Modal, there are definitely some pros and cons to weigh. On the positive side, the user-friendly interface and quick setup can save developers a lot of time. Plus, the promise of serverless functionality is appealing for teams wanting to focus on coding rather than infrastructure management. However, there are some frustrations to note. The limited documentation can leave users feeling stuck, especially when trying to implement more complex features. Additionally, while the pricing structure seems competitive, it may not be the best fit for smaller teams or solo developers on a tight budget. For those who thrive in a straightforward, scalable environment, Modal could be a great match. But if you're someone who needs extensive documentation and support, you might want to look elsewhere. In conclusion, Modal is a solid choice for developers looking to simplify AI deployment without the headaches of server management. However, if you require comprehensive support and documentation, you may want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you have a clear project in mind and are ready to navigate some initial hurdles.